And the Pentagon calls it unsafe and unprofessional. A Russian warplane doing a barrel roll over a U.S. reconnaissance plane flying over the Baltic Sea. The incident comes just a few days after a Russian fighter jet buzzed a U.S. Navy destroyer in the Baltic. One of the jets got within just 30 feet of the ship. A Russian warplane doing a barrel roll over the incident comes just a few days after a Russian fighter and the Pentagon calls it unsafe and unprofessional.